look at the back with the unboxing of Noise Colorfit Pulse Grand Smartwatch, and this is the package provided from Amazon. As you can see, there is a little bit tampered, other than nothing, no problem. So let's open and see how's the watch provided from Noise. This is the first purchase from Noise, and let's open and see. So this is what they have sent, and this is our bill. It cost around 1,999 in the first sale. So you can see the box, well packed. Everything is mentioned here. Let's see what's the price in the box. Okay, it's 3,999. So 4,000 is the price in the box. Let's open and see what's inside, how's the build, how they made it. It's look premium pack, very well. So there are some stickers, and there is a warranty, some noise stickers, and this is the watch. What's more inside? Let's take a look. So this is the charger, magnetic charger. And the manual. So this is our watch. You can see the established noise, and listen to the noise within. There is our sensor and charging, magnetic charging. So take a look. Take a look of it. Let's remove the screen cover. So this is our watch, and there should be the button. So you can see pair with app, and device information is provided. You have to pair with app and then it will start. So this will be the unboxing of Noise Colorfit Pulse Grand. More details about this watch will be given in the next video. And as you look at it, it's look good. Let's pair with the app and give all the details regarding the watch. And please subscribe our channel, like our video, share our videos. The Noob Creator signing off. for today. Thank you.